Even though I didn't receive a review unit a week early, I'm super excited because the iPhone SE2s that I ordered just came in the mail, and today we're going to be unboxing all three colors. And of course, I'm also going to be sharing something exciting, hint, hint, the title. But, you know, since we're all at home, I'd really appreciate it if you'd not only leave a like on this video, but also leave a comment if you have any questions, suggestions, or opinions, and also watch this video all the way through, as the YouTube algorithm likes that, and it'll help push my content to more people. And if you are a recurring viewer, go ahead and click the bell icon and enable all notifications. It does help the channel out a lot. So we have the black SE2, we have the product red SE2, and we have the brand new colorway, the white SE2. And I say it's new because there has not been a form factor of iPhone with this design, with a black front and a white back. So this will be the most distinguishable of the bunch, because these two here look a lot like the iPhone 8 models that came in these colors, with the exception of the logo placement and some other design elements that we'll go over in a minute here. But yeah, let's get these boxes opened. So here we have these phones, and right off the bat, despite the fact that they have a recycled design, you know, from 2017 and really from 2014 with the iPhone 6, they look super clean. I love the new placement of the logo right in the middle, and I love the very minimal branding, with the product red iPhone being the exception, but I don't really mind it. I think they've improved off of the iPhone 8 design for sure, although once again, it's super similar. I love the fact that they've moved the logo smack dab in the middle, just like it is with the iPhone 11, and that they've completely removed the iPhone branding from the back. And to very quickly cover what comes in the box before we forget about them here, we have, of course, your typical Apple literature and stickers and how-to guide. And with the product red iPhone, you do get a little informational slip about, you know, where your money goes and how it helps people with COVID-19, I think. And then, of course, you get the typical Apple earbuds, wired ones, a lightning cable, and a charging brick. So I've turned on these devices, but before I set one of these up for you here, I want to quickly compare the feel in the hand compared to the iPhone 8. Of course, I'll cover this in my full comparison between these two phones, but if you were to close your eyes, I don't know if you'd be able to tell the difference. For the most part, yeah, it's the same form factor and feel, with one of the major aesthetic differences being like you cannot get a white front with the SE2, unfortunately. But I do like black fronts, and I really do like the contrast that you get here with the white back and the black front. I'm glad that Apple went this route with the SE2. So yeah, let's get this one set up in particular, because it is, you know, the new colorway, you know, the iPhone SE2 that looks the most different. Oh, and here's a quick comparison between the product red colors between the iPhone 8 and 8 Plus and the SE2. I think it's pretty apparent the SE2 has a lighter shade of red, whereas the iPhone 8 and 8 Plus have a, you know, more blood shade of red. It's darker, it's richer, but I like both a lot here. I don't know which one I like more at this time, but I'll let you know once again in future comparisons and videos. So here we are with this phone, and right off the bat, of course, it feels super snappy with the A13 inside. And yeah, this is a very much Frankenstein iPhone, if you will. It has an iPhone 8 shell with some iPhone 11 aesthetic elements. It has one of the cameras of the iPhone 11. It has the guts of the iPhone 11. So it's a very interesting iPhone, to say the least. I'm very happy that this handset exists, especially for people who want some of the best from Apple without paying a pretty penny, and for people who just want a smaller form factor device. I've been using my iPhone 8 for the past couple of days on and off just around the house, and I gotta say, the 4.7-inch display still looks pretty decent, and it's easy to handle. You know, I kind of miss having a one-handable phone, if you will, so I am once again excited to start using this in my daily life and sort of daily drive this, even though I can't really go anywhere during quarantine, but still. And here we have the portrait mode with the camera here. It does require a person or a face, so I'll take a selfie with the front camera, so let's do that. Even though you can't really see what I'm doing, but here, let's open this up. That's a horrible expression on my face, but we'll go with it here. I'm going to increase the bokeh effect, and Yeah, that's pretty decent. Maybe not as good as the iPhone 10 or the 10R or any iPhone with the Face ID tech. So yeah, just from my first impressions, the portrait effect seems to work very well even without the Face ID tech, and I'm happy that Apple implemented just portrait mode in general. It makes this phone even more valuable in my opinion. So yeah, I can't say too much else about these phones right now. Obviously, I haven't been using them for a week like some people, but regardless, I am incredibly fortunate to have these on hand, and without your interaction and your viewership and your faith in me, none of this would be possible. And in order to say thank you, once again, I am giving away 2 of these like I had announced in my iPhone SE2 video about a week and a half ago. And all you have to do to enter is leave a like on this video, share it with somebody that you think would enjoy it as well, subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon and turn on all notifications, and lastly, leave me a comment as to why iPhone SE2 makes you excited in 2020. Maybe talk about why you like the hardware, why you like the form factor, or just what makes this phone so enticing for your own individual usage case. And that about wraps things up here. I hope this video was helpful and fun. Thank you for making everything I do possible. You know, without your enthusiasm and your viewership and your comments and your likes, nothing that I do on this YouTube platform would be possible. And best of luck to everybody who enters my giveaway. Expect some iPhone SE2 comparison content coming soon between like the iPhone 8 and the iPhone 10. This phone is really impressive, by the way. I can't wait to cover this in the future. I'd really appreciate it, once again, if you leave a like on this video, comment if you have any questions, suggestions, or opinions, and of course subscribe for more content like this. And as always, I'm Noah, and I will catch you all in the next one.